You are eating this nut, but you don't know the name. Do you know the name of this nut? Or you drop it on the comment section. This nut is none other than African walnut. Bear it in mind, they have two types of walnuts. They have English walnut, and this is the African walnut. You can get this walnut in different African countries, such as Sierra Leone, Cameroon, Ghana, even Nigeria. Igbo are called this Ukpa. I don't know what you are calling this walnut in your local dialect. You can get this walnut in your villages, even down to your bushes. But you don't know the benefits you can derive from eating walnut. Walnut is very rich in nutrients, vitamins, and a lot of minerals, which is you can get omega-3 fatty acid by eating walnut. And walnut is rich in plant protein and antioxidant. Go and get me your pen and your paper, because I'm going to show you or telling you the benefits you can derive by eating walnut. Number one, it helps for heart health. By eating this walnut, your heart is going to function very well. Number two, it supports reproductive health, such as it helps for men fertility and also pregnancies. Even the pregnant woman can eat this walnut very well because it helps during pregnancy. Number three, it improves skin and also anti-ages, such as vitamin E. It also nourishes your skin. If you don't know, you are eating walnuts, but you don't know the benefit. Yes, this is the season of walnut. You are buying it, you are eating it, but you don't know the importance of walnut. Number four, it regulates blood sugar. It helps to manage or to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. You are eating Ukpa. You don't know that Ukpa can help you to reduce the risk of get type 2 diabetes. You don't know. You are buying Ukpa in the market. You are eating Ukpa. You don't know that Ukpa can help you to protect you against type 2 diabetes. Then, number five, it promotes brain and memory. It helps a brain, oboro, it helps you to function very well. Then number six, Ukpa also very rich in antioxidants and can reduce LDL, which means bad cholesterol in your body. That is what I have to drop about Ukpa. So if you know any of benefits you can derive from Ukpa or eating Ukpa, please drop it in the comment section. Remember that if this was the first time you are across or you are watching my video, I say welcome. I am still the Maazi-UC. Do well always to eat Ukpa, because this African walnut can help you to prove a lot of health benefit in your body. And remember that it also helps in digestive health. Go and get me Ukpa. Start making use of it. You can see that you will be okay. Thank you as be wash.